Hey fellow YouTubers, JJ the Trucker coming to you from beautiful Lake Mead in Nevada. Actually, we are on the Arizona side, but it's just outside of Las Vegas. And man, look at this view. Check this out. Man, that is awesome. So yeah, I am enjoying my vacation. I got my family here with me. I got my cameraman, my brother right here. Hey Michael.
Hello, hello.
All right, so man, vacation started off a little rocky, but that's all right. Not a big deal. Got over all that, and here we are now, just enjoying it. And you know, I promised you guys something extra special is coming, and I promise it is coming. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. But anyways, just wanted to say, you know, got out here yesterday. You know, enjoyed the time on the houseboat. My family got in last night. Today we've been cruising the entire lake. It has just been gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous, and we finally parked for the day. But yeah, this thing that's special. Let me. What is that? Is that a swarm of bugs? What the? Oh my goodness! What the heck is that? Here we go. That is the Mavic 2 Zoom. This thing is freaking awesome. It's from DJI, and this thing, gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. The pictures are phenomenal. It's wanting to land right now, so let me go ahead and get it to land. There we go. Let's get this thing to land. And boom. Oh yeah, so check out this controller. Oops, I think I started recording. This controller is awesome. I don't even have to connect my phone to it. It's touch screen, everything. This thing is nice. It's got buttons on the back, buttons on the side, dials, everything. Man, this thing is sweet. I am absolutely loving this thing. I'm gonna have some awesome footage here of the lake, of the scenery, of everything that I've been doing with it so far. But check out how easy this thing is to fly. Watch this. All right, so all I have to do, right? Boom. There we go. That starts the props and lift. Check that out. Watch this thing. Look at this thing. 400 feet high, 1,500 feet away. Watch how this thing moves. I don't even know. I'm going to bring it down so you can see it, because I know once it gets on camera, it's not as easy to see. So let me bring it down here. Alright. Y'all see it good? Watch this. Later. That thing's pretty awesome. Nice and fast. Woo-wee. Show off the moon. Alright, so I am going now. To be honest, this is in sport mode, which doesn't have a lot of the features as far as all the sensors and stuff like that. But I can put it in regular mode. I can put it in tripod mode. Tripod mode makes it so it's a lot more stable, a lot slower, more precise movements, things like that. And then the regular mode just is regular movements and all that stuff, which it's in now. And this is a really awesome feature, auto land. So let me show you this auto land feature right here. Okay, right there, boom. And watch this. I'm not touching the stick. We got to back up though. I'm not touching anything on the remote. Not touching anything. touching anything. Now, here's the thing, I do have to force land it because it doesn't recognize the white part. But that's it. That's all I had to do is push one button, you know, to get it to, because it's not recognizing the white ground very well, but I just push force landing and it lands right where it took off from. So there you go, guys. That is my surprise. I cannot wait to show you guys all the scenery and everything, not only here on the lake, but everywhere else that I'm going on my travels as a driver. So that's it. So at this point, enjoy the scenery.